Alright guys, it is me, Noob Crimp here. Today I'm gonna teach you guys how to get the Roblox 2017 or 19 homepage. So the first thing you want to do is, if you look like over there, like the stylish app over there next to the grammar and our pro settings, you first need to click that. Then you can see that you can switch however you like. First, you need to go to see all styles. Like, if you guys didn't see it, then take a look. If you guys didn't see it, look at my mouse one more time, and then you got into Roblox theme/skins. There you can now see what kind of homepage and stuff you would like to add. Like, some people use this of course. Some people use this. Some people even use this. Some people use the Fix Cute Kitty Roblox homepage. But we need to look for the Roblox 2017 homepage. Well, I mean, it doesn't say 2017, it says 2016. But when I got that, it says 2017. Anyways, that's all for today's video, and that's how you get the Roblox 2017 or 16 homepage. So yeah, if you guys want to see more of how-to videos, I guess, like, subscribe, and comment.